Imagine standing directly in front of a massive industrial fan. You are being battered by two distinct, invisible forces at the exact same time: a gale force wind and deafening, ear-shattering noise. To get some relief, the instinctual human reaction is to build a physical barrier. You stack heavy, thick bricks high into the air to form a dense barricade between yourself and the source. The massive wall does its job. The noise immediately stops. But almost instantly, you are gasping for air. The heavy barrier that trapped the sound also completely cut off the essential flow of the breeze. This is the central conflict of traditional soundproofing. The standard method for stopping noise has always required deploying dense, heavy mass to physically block the air that carries it. That reliance on brute force mass creates a catastrophic engineering problem. Countless industrial systems produce extreme noise, but they also require constant, unrestricted ventilation to operate safely. You cannot simply wrap heavy concrete walls around the exhaust vents of a jet engine or a commercial building's HVAC system. These heavy enclosures trap the heat, starving the machinery of the airflow it needs to function. If you dismantle the barricade to let the system breathe again, the deafening roar returns instantly. To solve this, we need a structure that can isolate and cancel noise without restricting the movement of the air itself. The solution is a synthetic design known as an acoustic metamaterial. It starts as a lightweight, open-ended ring with a completely hollow center. Watch what happens when we fasten this open ring directly over the source of the noise. The roaring noise vanishes. Yet the breeze generated by the source continues to blow straight through the large hole in the center, completely undisturbed. Traditional logic says an open pipe should offer no resistance to sound. But the secret to this silencer isn't in its density, it's in its internal geometry. While the wind is a bulk movement of air molecules, sound is a much finer disturbance, tiny kinetic vibrations rippling through that same air. Look at the inside edge of our metamaterial ring. It is lined with a highly specific, mathematically calculated twisting helical geometry. When the incoming sound vibrations strike these complex walls, the angles force the waves into a continuous loop, sending them reflecting back toward where they came from. Because the geometry is so precise, the reflected waves overlap perfectly with the incoming ones. This creates destructive interference, where the conflicting waves collide and cancel each other out. This specific configuration is so efficient at forcing these collisions that it neutralizes 94% of the sound energy, making the noise imperceptible to the human ear. While the sound waves are being destroyed along the edges, the physical air molecules travel straight down the empty void in the center, completely unencumbered. Metamaterials work because they exert influence through mathematical wave geometry rather than the sheer mass of solid materials. Since this effect relies strictly on shape rather than material density, we can manufacture these structures in a variety of forms. Using 3D printing, we can quickly generate lightweight, precisely shaped hexagonal units. These pieces snap together like a puzzle, forming a permeable honeycomb wall. By replacing solid mass with these intelligent shapes, we can build structures that behave like sound barriers, but weigh almost nothing. These open-air honeycomb grids could be used in hospitals to contain the intense vibrations of MRI machines without the risk of the rooms overheating. In aviation, these same grids can be mounted directly beneath drone propellers to silence the aggressive buzz of the blades without killing the airflow needed for lift. In our cities, these permeable walls could neutralize the sound of highways while allowing natural cross breezes to freely cool the streets. By matching the mathematics of acoustics to the requirements of fluid dynamics, we can finally build environments that are both quiet and breathable.
If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe.